Hello and welcome back to the latest episode of Logistics 9's Yiwu Market Tour Vlog, your premium source for uncovering treasures in the world of wholesale goods. Fasten your seatbelts, as today, we're taking you on a ride through the world of automotive tools and accessories at Yiwu International Trade Mart. Get ready to explore a plethora of products especially designed for bulk buyers and importers who crave quality, competitive factory prices, and items that fly off the market shelves. Safety on the road starts with the right accessories, and China's Yiwu market has a fantastic selection of products designed to do just that. You can shop for all types of essential safety accessories, from speed bumps and reflective tape to convex mirrors and warning poles. Suppliers here also offer a high-quality collection of reflective signboards, road studs, and reflective vests that ensure both safety and style. Now, let's rev up your maintenance game with a comprehensive range of auto repair tools. From versatile tool kits and combination tools to precise screwdriver kits and robust wrenches, Yiwu has your car maintenance needs covered. Filters play a vital role in optimal vehicle performance, and this is the best wholesale market in China to explore a variety of oils, fuels, and air filters manufactured for efficiency and durability. Roadside emergencies are inevitable, but with Yiwu's roadside assistance tools, you'll always be prepared. From powerful jump starters and tire inflators to compact emergency toolkits and reliable jumper cables, ensure your customers always stay on the move. Want to protect your customers' vehicles with car and motorcycle covers, steering wheel locks, and motorcycle locks? Yiwu is here to redefine your vehicle protection game, offering a comprehensive suite of products that blend innovation, durability, and affordability for importers like you. China has become a global powerhouse in LED production, and the impact is evident in these cutting-edge automotive lighting products. While we're here, let's not miss out on the latest designs in LED headlights, fog lights, brake lights, turn signal lights, reflective wheel tapes, and tons of visibility tools and lighting products. At Yiwu Market, you can also place bulk orders for various car interior accessories like car seat covers, steering wheel covers, sunshades, and dashboard mats. Designed for both comfort and aesthetics, these interior accessories align with current market preferences, ensuring a quick turnover. You can also stay ahead in today's tech-savvy market with China's range of smart car gadgets, GPS navigation systems, car phone holders, Bluetooth car kits, and more such products that cater to the evolving demands of modern drivers. Air quality and performance are crucial, and Yiwu has got you covered from air fresheners and performance air intake systems to top-notch brake pads. You can always ensure your customers' vehicles run smoothly. Ensure security with Yiwu Mart's advanced car alarm systems, GPS tracking devices, and dash cams with features that go beyond standard security, meeting the demands of today's discerning consumers. Let's take a look at some protective gear, including helmets, gloves, riding jackets, riding pants, and motorcycle boots. All these products are manufactured to meet international safety standards. Keep vehicles running smoothly with these essential fluids: motor oil, brake fluid, transmission fluid, coolants, and more. Yiwu Mart is not just a wholesale marketplace, it's your strategic partner in meeting market demands and staying ahead in the competitive landscape. Maintain that showroom shine with car wax, microfiber cloths, car shampoo, and detailing brushes. These aren't just cleaning products. They're your ticket to delivering quality products and maintaining customer satisfaction. Want to import automobile parts? The comprehensive range of car, motorcycle, and bicycle parts and components here ensure that you have everything your customers need for their roadside adventures. Rest assured that with Yiwu, your inventory is always stocked with the latest premium quality automotive products. Interested in importing these automotive tools and car accessories? Drop us a WhatsApp message to stock them for your business. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to uncover more exciting wholesale made in China products only at Yiwu International Trade Mart. Thanks for watching.